In this example, we're going to place a set of fractions in ascending order, that is, from smallest to largest. Firstly, what we're going to do is look at the denominators, 4, 5, and 3 in our first example. We need to find a number that 4, 5, and 3 all go into. In other words, we need the lowest common denominator of 4, 5, and 3. Well, 4 times 5 is 20, and 20 times 3 is 60, and actually that is the lowest common denominator. If you accidentally choose one that's too big, it's okay, it just means the numbers are going to be a bit bigger, but the method will still work. So let's write them all as fractions over 60. 3/4, 4/5, and 2/3. Well, 4 goes into 60 15 times, so we need to multiply 3 also by 15, which gives us 45. 5 goes into 60 12 times, so we need to multiply the numerator by 12 as well. And 3 goes in 20 times, so again we do the same to the numerator. So we have 45 over 60, 48 over 60, and 40 over 60. Well, that means the smallest of these three numbers is 2/3. The next smallest is 3/4, or 45 over 60. And actually the biggest one is 4/5, which was 48 over 60. In the second example, we're going to have to first convert to improper fractions. So we have 8 over 5, 7 over 4, 3 over 2, 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9 over 4, and 11 over 5. In this case, the lowest common denominator of 5, 4, 2, and 4 and 5, the lowest common denominator of those numbers is 20. They're all factors of 20. So let's write them all over 20. 8/5 becomes 32 over 20, just multiplying the top and bottom by 4. 7/4 becomes 35 over 20. 3 over 2 is the same as 30 over 20, multiplying everything by 10. 9/4 is the same as 45 over 20. And 11/5 is the same as 44 over 20. So let's sort those numbers. We have 30 over 20, that was the smallest number, then 32 over 20, then 35 over 20, 44 over 20, and 45 over 20. And if we look at what fractions those were originally, 30 over 20, that came from 3 over 2. 32 over 20, if we look at where that came from, that was the first one, which is 1 3/5. 35 over 20, looking where that came from, that was 7 over 4. 44 over 20, that was the last one, 11 over 5. And then 45 over 20, just looking at that, that's the one that was 2 1/4. So we've written them in ascending order.